Guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. Hope you all are doing well. If you're new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. So welcome to Shimmers and Polishes. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notifications. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this super bright and beautiful blue and brown eye makeup look, perfect for any occasion as I always say. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Let's begin, and to begin with, I'm going to prime my lids with LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to blend that all well with a concealer brush, and I'm going to set that with Colourpop setting powder in the shade translucent. For this eye makeup look, I'm going to use Morphe's 35H color burst 35B color burst palette and the shade called All Night Long. I'm using the concealer as my guide. I didn't want to apply a sellotape for that eye shape, so I'm going to use that shade and I'm going to blend that all well with a fluffy blending brush. And this will be I want a nice brown, so I'm going to apply more of that brown so that I get the perfect brown that I want. This is the shape you get, so you don't have to apply a sellotape and all that hassle. You can use a business card as well. Next, I'm going to use a shade called Off the Grid from the same Hotspot palette, and I'm going to blend that well. I'm using this shade as my transition shade, and I'm using a clean blending brush, and I'm going to blend that all well so that it looks nice and seamless. I'm going to apply more of that brown because I want a beautiful dark brown shade. So blend it all well till you're happy with the way it looks. Next, I'm going to cut my crease with Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Fair, and I'm going to cut that crease. I'm going to use Morphe's 35B color burst palette and the beautiful shade called Sky, and I'm going to pat that color first on that wet concealer because I don't want the concealer to move or the shade to look patchy. So dab the color first and then apply another layer for maximum intensity. This eye makeup look was inspired by an Instagram post because I love how two different colors are. I can never think of a brown and a sky blue color, so I'm blending that blue into the brown so that it looks beautifully. There's a beautiful transition between the two shades. So next, I'm going to use Sugar's Brow Definer in the shade Cherry Brown, and I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows because I like my brows to be natural. Next, I'm going to use LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade medium beige to cover out my under eye dark circle. I'm going to blend that all well, and then I'm going to go over with Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer in the shade medium, blending that all well and setting it with some translucent powder by Colourpop. Next, I'm going to use the same dark brown shade on my lower lash line. I'm going to smoke that all well. So I'm taking my time to smoke that out, and I'm going to use the same orangey shade, and I'm going to smoke out my lower waterline as well. And for my lower waterline, I'm going to use a turquoise eyeliner by Maybelline. And for my upper waterline, I'm going to use Isadora's Contour Kajal. I'm going to use NYX Ink eyeliner. I'm fumbling a lot today. And I'm going to create a nice thin winged eyeliner. For my brow bone highlight, I'm going to use Balm's Mary Luminizer, and I'm going to use the same on my inner corner as well. I love this highlighter. You might have heard me saying it many times. I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to apply Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara. I love this mascara, guys. It makes my eyelashes look so voluminous. And this is the final look, you guys. A beautiful blue brown eye makeup look, perfect for any occasion. And I love how the shades look together. So if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram as well, guys. Show some love by subscribing to my channel because there are many more tutorials up on my channel, so don't forget to check them out. And please do leave some comments, share my tutorials and help me spread my channel. And I love you guys, and until next time, you take care. Bye bye.